Mom, wake up. I feel terrible.
What? What's wrong?
My stomach hurts a lot.
Ugh. Grace, are you okay?
You're very hot. Yes, and I want to vomit.
We must go to the hospital right now. Can you stand up?
Mommy is sick. Get in the car quickly.
We're almost there, Grace. Hold on. Please, she needs help right now.
We will help her, sir. Wait outside and fill forms.
I am very worried about Mommy. Will she be okay?
Yes, she will. Let me write her information here.
Hello, Grace. Where does it hurt?
Right here, doctor. My stomach hurts so much.
Do you feel hot or cold? You have a high fever. What did you eat yesterday?
Eggs for breakfast and a salad for lunch.
What did you eat for dinner?
Oh, no. Wait, I remember now. I cleaned my fridge.
I found an old box of seafood. Still smelled okay, so...
I ate it. Please do not eat bad food to save money. Your health is important.
I know, I was just trying to save money. You are right, doctor. I made a very big mistake.
I have the test results now. Is she okay, doctor? What is the problem?
Oh no, what should we do to help her?
Although the diagnosis is confirmed, we have a clear path forward. We will begin treatment immediately.
Give her water, soft soup, and medicine. She will feel better soon.
Please sit up, honey. You need to drink water.
Drink it slowly, Grace. Is it okay for you?
Sleep tight, Mommy. I will take care of you. Mommy, you are awake. Does your tum still hurt? Mommy, look. I have hot soup for you. Very soft and not spicy. Mommy, please open your mouth and say, ah.
Thank you, Maya. It is delicious.
Mrs. Grace, you are fully recovered.
Yay! Yay! Mommy is well again.
You are healthy, but rest at home 2 more days.
We will take good care of her.
Okay, focus.
You can do this.
Step 1, put flour in.
Why is it stuck? Oh, no. I cannot see anything. Oh, no. Look at the kitchen. It is a giant mess. Dad, look at the floor. What happened? A cake? Why are you baking at 7 a.m.? Yes, it is Valentine's Day. Yes! I miss her. I want to make her happy. Aw, that is sweet, Dad. You want to bake a Valentine cake? Don't be sad, Dad. We can help you. Yes, we are a team. Let's make the best cake for MOM.
Okay, team. We cannot bake in dirty kitchen. Clean up first.
Oh, that is the delivery. My hand's full of bubbles.
I can't reach it with these soapy hands. Who can help me?
Me. Let me do it. Delivery for Grace's family.
Thank you. Oh, it is so heavy. Feels like rocks. I got you, son. Wow, lots of ingredients inside. Let's check. Sugar, check. Strawberries, check. Whipping cream, check. Perfect. Now we have everything.
Let's bake.
Step 1, crack the eggs into the bowl. Tom, your turn.
Fish them out.
Ooh.
Washing is done. Now I shake them dry. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, I will be careful.
Now mix the flour and eggs. It looks too thin.
Sugar power. Make it
sweet.
mix, mix, mix. Round and round. Winter is coming. Whoosh! Leo, you are a snowman again.
Into the oven. Now we wait.
Ta-da! The masterpiece.
Dad, it looks like soup. It didn't rise. It is squishy.
Why? Oh no, I forgot to turn on the heat. Wait,
If we don't turn on oven, cake won't bake.
Maximum power. Let's cook it fast.
Do you smell that? It smells like burning.
Oh no, it is burnt. It is a black rock now. We play soccer. But no, let's try one more time.
Third time is the charm.
Watch the timer. 170 degrees. 20 minutes.
Ah, it is done.
Yay!
We did it.
We did it! But it smells delicious. Okay, now it is time to decorate.
The cake is leaning, Tom. It looks tired.
It is artistic, Dad. Let's cover it with white cream. Put the strawberry in the center. Red for love.
Sprinkles everywhere. Make it colorful.
It is beautiful, but messy.
Balloons here. Flowers there. It looks romantic.
Quick, turn off the lights. Hide behind the sofa.
Mom is home!
Hello? Why is it so dark? Ethan, kids, where is everyone?
Surprise! Surprise!
Oh my goodness! What is this?
happy Valentine's Day, my love.
Welcome home.
Yes, we made it. We failed 2 times, Mom. Let me taste. It is delicious. It is sweet and soft. Best
We made it with love, Grace.
You did such a wonderful job. All of you. This means so much to me. Really, Tom. I love this cake.
You deserve the best, my love.
Right, team? Yes! You are the best MOM. stars and sky.
Aw, I love you too, my little angels.
But we forgot one thing.
Wait, what?
Cleaning up. Look at the kitchen.
I knew it. You made cake, so kitchen messy. But it is okay, no problem. Let's clean up together, then dinner.
Yay! Let's do it! Let's do it!